This is dulo-dulo. Or either, you see? Or, number 1 lang yun. 1, bang! Then, ha! Now, if you try to grab this one, yeah, you see? Same thing. Or, go, same thing. Right? Yan ang sistema niya. Number 2, maybe bang! Right, you see? Tack! Or, same thing. Right, you see, hit.
Dulo-dulo sistema.
Sistema, this is dulo-dulo system. It could be this way. Right, you see, bang. Right. Okay. Number 4, I heard bang. Tack. Now check again, bang. Hold again, back. Now, break this one. Hold again. Alright, you see? Or then. Five, you see? I could have it. Check. Bang! There you are. Check. Bang! You see? Back. Bang! Up.
Ano yung take down, master?
Take down. Yes, you should take it.
Yun.
Yung pasyaya.
Paano yun, master? Paano yun?
Umikot
ko, master. Umikot.
Okay.
7.
7. You see? Right. This is never. Eight. You see? Bang! Up.
Hanggang pa rin.
9. You see? Back. You see? Up. Bang! Up. 4.
Hawakan mo naman. Hawakan mo.
Hawakan mo siya.
Lalong napasama pala.
Then. Ganun to lulo.
Lalo pala napasama.
Tayin talaga yung tao.
10. Right. Up. Nakuha. Bang. Doon. Hawak. Back. Bang. Right. Bang.
Sorry.
Pinakita ko lang yun.
Nalaglag ba?
Para hindi lang siya palagi nagawat. So, kaya nyo na? So, yan ang ano ng dulo. Ha?
Isa pa.
Kahit na 1 to 10, ano?
So, gagawin natin 1 to ano rin siya. Kung ano ang ginagamit ng knife, mas lalo kung knife pa,